Hi, welcome to Keeping Leisure. I'm AK. Today we'll be unboxing the Fibre Speed Cube. Okay, so here is the Fibre Speed Cuber, and I don't know what the brand is because it's written in Chinese. I don't know Chinese, so just unbox it and let's get started. So here's the cube. Let's test it out. It's pretty fast, non-magnetic. Yeah, it has fiber stickers. So I'll give a solve in this one. This was really fast and super smooth and good. I really prefer this cube. If you wanna buy it, it's in Amazon, or you can check any shop. So this can be one of your main cubes, and it's really fast. So that's it for the video, and bye.